Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a running dog. Okay, so I'm starting out with some basic shapes, like a circle for the head, the curved oval shape for the body, and some smaller shapes on the head to really see how the face is working structurally. Then adding some details like the eyes, the nose, teeth, etc. And then you should, because the dog is running, you should make the ears go with the wind, like they say. Adding some fur. And you should also make the fur go together with the shape of the body and the movement. So you shouldn't make them straight, like up in the air or something like that. Then drawing some legs to emphasize that the dog is running. Details to the legs. And then now that I'm finished with all the details on the sketch, I'm doing the line art to make the drawing look more clear and more detailed, precise, and those kind of things. Now that I'm finished with the line art, I'm going to erase the sketch and do the coloring, which again I'm going to speed up so you don't get bored watching this video. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more drawing videos.